They said it was a legend lost to time.
Looking at it now, nature has definitely claimed it.
She is dug in deep. The mud is hardened like concrete.
Keep the tension steady. We don't want to snap the axle.
There she goes. She's fighting us every inch.
Just a little more torque, she's coming loose.
Guiding the massive rig onto the trailer proves challenging.
Steering is completely dead. It's a workout just keeping it straight.
You're centered. Bring it up slow.
It's a long haul back to the shop.
People are staring. Even covered in rust, this truck turns heads.
Welcome to your new home for the next 6 months.
Now the real work begins. Teardown starts tomorrow.
Are we really doing this?
Absolutely. Let's get this beast home.
6 months of work staring us right in the face.
The rust is deep, but look at those lines. The bones are still good.
Door seals are fused. This hasn't moved in decades.
It's a Peterbilt 379. It deserves to run again.
Hood is coming off. We need access to everything.
Careful with the fiberglass. We're saving this original hood.
The smell in here is
These bolts have been rusted shut since the 90s.
Heat and leverage. It's the only language they understand.
Organization is key. Lose a bolt now, regret it later.
Tag everything. Bag everything.
Skeleton revealed. It's solid, just ugly.
Time to clean the slate.
separating the body from the frame. The moment of truth. Clearance is good. Lift it away.
There is nothing more satisfying than this.
Decades of road grime gone in seconds.
Sandblasting is the only way to get deep into the pores.
Goodbye, rust. Hello, raw steel.
Chemistry doing the hard work for us.
Stripped down to the molecular level.
Elbow grease time. Getting these axles smooth.
Watch the sparks. Prepping for paint is 90% of the job.
She's naked, clean, and ready for a new life.
Now we build.
Cracking the block open. She was burning oil bad.
Look at that carbon buildup. It was choking her.
Piston rings are shot. No compression.
Out with the old. We're going oversized.
Honing the cylinders. We need that perfect crosshatch.
This ensures the new rings seat perfectly.
Shiny and new. Fits like a glove.
Torquing the rod caps. Precision is everything here.
Train is in. Timing gears are set.
It's like a giant Swiss watch.
Fresh coat of paint. She looks factory fresh.
Maybe even better than factory.
Adding a bigger turbo. This truck needs to breathe. Whoa.
More air, more fuel, more power.
Ready to drop back in? The heart is beating again.
Wait until you hear it roar.
The body took a beating over the years.
Mapping out the battle scars. Every dent gets fixed.
Hammer and dolly work. It's an art form.
Slow and steady. Metal has memory.
Cutting out the cancer. Welding in fresh steel.
Sealing it up for good.
Smoothing the lines. We want glass flat surfaces. And
Contouring the body back to its original shape.
Sand, check, repeat. My arms are burning.
If you can feel the imperfection, the paint will show it.
primed and blocked, she's dead straight.
The canvas is ready for color.
Chassis black. Tough and glossy.
Setting the foundation.
Custom mix. Deep ocean blue with a pearl flake.
It's gonna pop in the sunlight.
This hood is massive. Keep the wet edge moving.
Consistency is key. Don't stop.
And now, the shine.
It looks like it'll dripping wet.
Perfect. The cutting and buffing stage reveals the true depth of the paintwork.
Cut
and buff, bringing out that mirror finish.
I can see my safety glasses in the reflection.
Reuniting the soul with the body.
Motor mounts aligned. Drop it in.
Cab is going home. Careful with the fresh paint.
Steady, steady, touchdown.
New leather, new gauges. It smells like a new truck.
A cockpit fit for a king.
The restoration is nearly complete.
The twin stacks, the signature of the 379.
Chrome on blue. Best combination there is.
Electrical system is green.
All systems go.
New shoes. These tires are monsters.
Torque to spec. She's ready to stand on her own.
6 months of blood, sweat, and tears.
It all comes down to this moment.
From a rusted wreck under a tree.
Oh, to the king of the road.